So what is the rule of 72? It's really a simple tool that allows you in an easy way to calculate number of years you will need to double your money if you know what rate of return you're expecting. So basically, if you know that on average you should get 7.2% annually for your investment, and let's say we take $1,000 and then we add 7.2% 1 year, the next year we add 7.2% to that, and 7.2% for next year and the next year and the next year, then after 10 years you will have $2,000. So that is why we use number 72, because you got 72, you divide it by 7.2, you get 10 years. So if you have anything lower than 7.2% interest rate, you know it's going to take more than 10 years to double your money. Let's look at the example of 5%. So as you can see, it takes much longer. Now, if the number is higher, if the percentage is higher, let's say it's 10%, you would think, okay, 10%, that it would take me 10 years to double my money. That's not true, because you're doubling with interest. So you have 1,000 and then 10%, and then 10%, and the next year another 10%, and another 10%, and just after 7 years, 7 and whatever, 3 months or something like that, you will double your money. So it's a simple equation that you can roughly do in your head that will allow you to just know where you are with a certain interest rate, and it's actually very easy just to remember that 7.2%, that's the number that means 10 years till I double my money. Anything higher, you're faster. Anything lower, more than 10 years. So you have to figure it out. Do you want to wait that long? But maybe it's much safer. You don't get so much, swings in the market. Or maybe you want to find something that will actually double your money in, let's say, 5 years. So I hope this simple explanation was helpful to you, and if so, I would really appreciate the like on the video so it could spread to other people. So thanks and see you.